3. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Shopify to Printify. Start by signing into your Printify account. From the dashboard, click Manage My Stores from the left menu. Next, click Add New Store, then choose Shopify from the list of available sales channels. After that, click Connect. A new window will open asking you to enter your myshopify.com store address. Enter your Shopify store URL and click Connect Store. Now you'll be redirected to Shopify. Sign into your Shopify admin if prompted, then review the permissions that Printify is requesting and click Install App to authorize the connection. Next, return to Printify and confirm that your Shopify store appears in the Manage My Stores section. You can now create products in Printify and publish them directly to your Shopify store. Finally, publish a test product and verify that it appears in your Shopify products section before making it available to customers. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Shopify to Printify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.